Hey, all you desperados working out in Snohomish County. This is Eric Bolstead, Division President, Absolute Mortgage. And we're looking for a branch manager for our Lynnwood office, which is brand new, remodeled, 4,200 square feet in the Redstone building, right in the heart of Alderwood there. If you're looking for career growth, maybe you're looking for a change. I know we're all busy and it's tough to make that, but now is the time to seek out opportunities. We got a really aggressive comp program and we got a lot of benefits and a great team to surround you by. So if you'd like to know more information, email me back directly or call my cell phone, 425-442-5440. Thank you for your time.